Hey guys, long time no see. Sorry about that if you missed me. If you didn't and you're new to my channel, hello, how are y'all? Excuse me, I'm not sure if you can hear it in my voice, but I am trying to get over somewhat of a sickness and been super busy with that. And then this weekend my son's birthday and my sister came up and it just was a lot of stuff going on, so I had to take a quick little break from my crafty peeps. Excuse me. Oh man, you know what? I should have brought, my sister does the vinyl crafts and whatnot. I should have brought those in here so I could show them. She just got a new Cricut for her birthday. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I will be clearing my throat. If you can't take it, I suggest you leave now. I'm trying to get better at it, but I thought I was getting better, and I feel like I'm getting worse now, and I don't know. Anyway, we are doing a citrus twist kit with the January kit. This is the second page. I think it's only the second page that I've actually gotten done, because since I got it, it's been a little bit busy. Nonetheless, my sister does the vinyl stuff on shirts with her Cricut, and we did some crafting this weekend and had a ball. So we stayed up Sunday because I took off from work Friday and Monday, and she came up Friday afternoon. This is just one of the PL cards. I guess I could zoom you guys in, huh? She came up Friday afternoon. Saturday we had my son's birthday, and then Sunday we scrapped. Not scrapped, excuse me. We did a bunch of different projects. If you know what, I could put that on my Facebook page. That's New Creation Studio. I'll post a few on Facebook and maybe also Instagram. I think that'll be a good idea. Excuse me. I truly am sorry for that. I'm at that stage where I'm coughing for no apparent reason, it feels like. I like this So Fun, but I also don't like it incorporates the pink. I'm gonna put it down with the little things. Anyway, I hope you guys have been having a great week. Oh, I forgot to put twine in there. Despite the fact that I have been sick, I would say I wasn't horribly sick. And I was, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday I got better because I got sick, and I texted my sister and I was like, I'm sick. Because she brought my niece and my nephew up, which are in the photo right here. This is an old picture though. They don't look like that anymore. I mean, they do, but they don't. And because I wanted to let her know that I was sick in case she was like, look, I can't come up, I got my kids. But I wish you guys could have seen the text message, because I was like, but I'm not like sick, you know. Because I haven't determined whether this is an allergy issue, because I did skip my allergy medicine last week, a couple days, thinking that my immune system had gotten to where I didn't have to take it every day. So I'm not 100% sure that this is not allergies. I'm also not 100% that it is, so... But I didn't want her bringing my babies up and them catching anything, because that would have broke my heart. Excuse me. Plus, my little one here, she just started ballet classes. So, you know, you can't miss ballet. My little sassy pants. Oh, I don't want that one there. Need a darker color. There we go. Now, these pictures are them at a strawberry patch. And they are picking strawberries. You know what? I've got gold down there. Maybe I better... pop a little gold star, heart here and there. Excuse me. And while I haven't felt like crap a whole lot, aside from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, this cough has given me the what for. I know you guys did not come here to listen to me talk about my cough. Anyway, I'm sorry. I was sitting on the bed after my shower, and I'm thinking, man, I haven't done anything with my kids. And so, I'm not going to lie to you, my intention when I got home was to just lay down, after my shower, of course. But, I said, no, let me get this done. I've got my wedding album Wednesdays prepped. And they're pretty simple, so I'm thinking you might get a double layout tomorrow. Depending on how I'm feeling. Because that's pretty much what everything's depending on right now, is how I feel. Oh, there's one up there. I should put a circle one down here. I fell in love with this pic. Oh gosh, was I out of focus the whole time? Excuse me, guys. I fell in love with this picture though when I saw it. And I wish it was not as dark, but what are you gonna do? Okay. Little sprinkly bits. Let's see. What do I do with my vellum stickers? I wanted to stamp, but I did not figure out what. I'm gonna pull you guys back out. I need to get a light for this side over here, don't I? Pardon me. I don't know. I think I kind of like... I don't know. I think I kind of like it. Where's my... There it goes. Go ahead and pop some splatters on here. So I look like I might know what I'm doing. Just gonna do it on the top and the bottom. Oops, right on her little face. Yikes. Shucking. Ooh, that went right on there, didn't it? There we go. Kind of blending it in there. Oh, sure is. Look at that. Interesting. Just wipe that up with my robe. My clothes have so much ink and paint on it, it's ridiculous. Okay, nonetheless, I hope you guys missed me, but I hope you're even more happy that I'm back. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with Wedding Album Wednesday, and we are nearing the end of Wedding Album Wednesday, so okay, because I got another thing in mind for us. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.